Welcome. I'm Elinor Silverstein, and we are here with Jennifer Lee, who's going to be teaching for the upcoming Feldenkrais Guild Conference that is 2025 on September 12th through the 14th. And the title of her workshop is Moving with Memory Loss, Feldenkrais Method Meets Dementia. Jennifer, please tell us about this amazing workshop.
I'm very excited to present to the Feldenkrais community this information about working with dementia and memory loss. Feldenkrais practitioners are in a very good position. They have unique skills that they can bring to this community to serve this community well in ways that the community, these people we know and love, with memory loss, there's many ways that Feldenkrais can support functional improvement, present moment body awareness, and movement is the most important aspect really as we age. So that's why Feldenkrais practitioners have a skill set that is unique and very well suited to support the population.
So tell me more about how movement is so important to self-awareness and being present in that way.
Yes, movement is a beautiful medium, as Moshe Feldenkrais, in his brilliance, knew. It's a medium of identity. It's a medium of discovering who we are. We are not trees, we are not rocks. That's what I say a lot to people I train to do this work, or even friends. We are humans with this a huge, vast range of movement capacity. And as we age, as we know, often our movement capacity slowly diminishes, as does our social engagement. So these are important factors for living independently, for thriving as we age, movement and social engagement. I just really want to point that out. Present moment body awareness is also a natural skill that we as Feldenkrais practitioners are experiencing, teaching, and supporting in our work. Well, for people with memory loss and dementia, it is actually something they do very well. They are able to sense and feel. They have perceptual abilities, sensory abilities. If you ask a person with dementia, where is your belly button? They know where their belly button is. Isn't that interesting? When they may not know, they may not remember they're in the class. They may not really remember who somebody is in their household, but they know where their elbow is. They know where their belly button is. So this is something we can really develop and expand and enrich their capacity for their own sensory identification. What that does, what that creates is empowerment. It creates a sense of presence. I am, this is my body. I am here. Whereas if we don't get that sensory feedback, what happens? And if people ignore us socially, what happens? We disappear. We disappear from our own concept of life. You see it happen, people see it happen all the time. So what can we do about it? We can do a lot to support the population.
Jennifer, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to attending your workshop, seeing what more to learn and incorporate to help people. Thank you. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.
Wonderful. Thank you, Eleanor.